Today's orthodontists are faced with more challenges than ever. Quality-first orthodontists, investing time and money on more efficient treatment technologies, are feeling the squeeze from increased competition. At the same time, delivering the faster treatment times patients are looking for has clinicians feeling stretched between keeping their fees affordable and assuming greater financial risk.
What we're finding is that if we compress the payment plans into a shorter treatment time, then we're exceeding the patient's ability to pay.
OrthoFi is a revolutionary practice growth engine that has transformed the orthodontic industry. From initial call, to consult, to contract, to collections. OrthoFi is the first full-service patient acquisition, insurance, and collections partner designed to increase your starts and simplify your life.
OrthoFi has changed my practice in every way.
OrthoFi helps you amplify your growth by streamlining the patient acquisition process and enhancing patient onboarding. Simplify your practice with the #1 revenue cycle management solution in the industry. And clarify your performance with 24/7 access to real-time data and analytics. We have proven that the whole process matters for successful practice growth.
I'd say that the biggest change in our practice has just been top-line growth. We have really accelerated top line since bringing OrthoFi on. In the past 5 years, we've nearly doubled our business.
OrthoFi helps orthodontists start more smiles by streamlining the patient acquisition process and enhancing new patient onboarding. With mobile-friendly online forms and full-service insurance eligibility verification, OrthoFi helps drive early form completion and reduce urgent checks. The orthodontic industry's original payment slider is proven to increase same-day contracts by removing the financial roadblocks that prevent patients from choosing quality orthodontic care. Our powerful pending management tool helps improve case conversions for the most overlooked bucket of potential in a practice: pending patients. OrthoFi's end-to-end patient acquisition process has helped more than 300 practices across the country achieve more than 14% average growth, while simultaneously sustaining a healthy cash flow over time.
With OrthoFi, it's the whole package. It's the combination of the new patient intake forms that they provide, which are all digital online, fillable form that the patient fills out, to the fact that when the patient comes in, we already know what their most important issues are, what they are focused on. We know their insurance benefits up front.
No more phone calls, having to verify, no more arguing with the insurance companies, having to refile with the insurance companies. When a patient comes in the door, I want my employee conversing with them right then and there. I don't want them on the phone having to hold up a finger saying, "I'll be right with you."
My favorite thing about OrthoFi is being able to allow patients to have some flexibility in how they make their payments, whether it be their down payment or their monthly payments. It's really allowed patients that freedom and then their control.
The overall down payment that we have hasn't really changed. What we have found, which is interesting, is our growth over this year, percentage-wise, is very close to the number of patients who have chosen extended payment plans that included interest. And so my thought is that if we didn't have that option, perhaps they wouldn't have started.
With OrthoFi, we're not selling this. Patients are able to choose this.
So as the system evolved, really focusing on helping our ortho partners get more yes, we realized that there was an opportunity for us to help the ortho with a number of things that were taking up a lot of their staff's time.
OrthoFi has you covered with the #1 revenue cycle management solution in the industry. More than autopay, OrthoFi is a full-service insurance and collections partner that handles claims coding and submission, underpay and overpay resolution, and electronic remittance tracking for faster turnaround and infinite traceability. OrthoFi manages patient AR with a comprehensive 180-day collections protocol, allowing you to start more patients without sacrificing your collections rate.
Rather than having money transfer going through the office, makes things a lot simpler and safer, but have an automated system.
OrthoFi scales to meet our needs, so if we have a busy day, OrthoFi's there, from insurance checks to financing to collections.
As a TC, I would make mistakes and I wouldn't give the right insurance benefit. And I don't have to worry about that because OrthoFi is worrying about that for me. And not having to chase on collections and not having to have those uncomfortable conversations with parents, I really can spend my day thinking about how do I get the phone to ring, how do I market the practice, and bring in new business. I'm running the practice offensively now and not defensively.
Partnering with OrthoFi means 24/7 access to a fully robust financial reporting system. Our full-service offering compiles insightful industry-first metrics in an easy-to-understand visual display, showing you exactly what is driving your results. Ongoing personalized consultations and monthly business reviews provide unparalleled visibility into your practice to help you make the right decisions at the right time.
It's a game changer. It's really made my life much easier. The reporting they give me is incredible. It tells me very, very quickly what the health of my new patient process is, what the health of my production is, my collections, and my deposits in the bank.
You see the top line growth, you see the bad debt compression, but you also get to interact with some really nice folks who understand the industry and are committed to serving the practices that are on board.
Created for orthodontists by orthodontists, OrthoFi partners with your practice and allows you to focus on what really matters, delivering exceptional, referral-worthy patient care. Visit startmoresmiles.com today to find out how OrthoFi can take your practice to the next level and help you get more yes today.